Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing this NTG5 system for Mercedes-Benz. It was sent to me by the company called AutoABC. You can find it on their website, and with this module we get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB media playing and more. So if you order this device, in the box you will get adapter box itself. It comes with a bunch of positions with a switch depending on your resolution. On the other side we have the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth antenna connection and the USB video. Also in the package we have a big user manual, all the installation instructions, everything you need to know is there, what setup to choose according to your car's resolution. Of course we have the Bluetooth antenna and the Wi-Fi antenna, some adapting cables, and because this module is plug and play, the installation is very simple. All you have to do is connect all the necessary wires. If you have rear camera, you will be able to use it with this box as well. All the cables necessary for the installation. Yeah, so the installation is very simple. We used a Mercedes GLC made in 2019. All the G series models have the same dashboard or almost the same. And first step is to remove this ornament piece in front of the armrest. Then we have two screws under the ornament, and once we remove these two screws, the whole central console will snap out of its place because it is kept in place with some clips. Next step is to remove the two screws holding the original navigation systems box, and once we've done that, we have full access to all the wires, and we can start to connect the wires in the box with the original ones. No matter what module you will order, you will get all the necessary instructions. So the wiring is very simple. The most complicated stuff is to find a suitable spot for the media box. In our case, under the central console, where it sits nice and fixed. Yeah, so this module is compatible with the Mercedes 5.0 NTG systems. On their website it will mention that the years 2013 to 2015. Well, if you want to know for sure, you have to ask them before making an order, because our model was fabricated in 2019 and still we could use this module. So the main features of this module are the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. We have all the apps in this ecosystem. Everything works very nice, very smooth, especially the Spotify app. Next we have the wireless AirPlay or the autolink for Android users. This is the screen mirroring feature. So if you want to watch a video on YouTube or any other app that supports the screen mirroring, well, you could use it without any problems. Then we have the OEM and aftermarket rear view cameras, even the front facing and the rear ones. This model had the original rear camera, and as you can see, it still works without any problems. We also have audio EQ adjustment, so we can independently adjust music and navigation volumes for a personalized audio experience. Also, we can use the aftermarket microphone, and this is very important. If you want to be able to use the original microphone, you have to enter the system settings on the module box and option to use the original Bluetooth connection, and we have to turn on that feature. From the factory, this feature is turned off because some models come with aux support, and if someone uses the aux support, it will interfere with the Bluetooth connection. Furthermore, we can use the original vehicle button controls, the original joystick, and also the back button, the media, and so on. And another important thing you should know, if you are in the original navigation system, if you want to enter the module, you will have to keep the back button pressed 2 seconds. This is the shortcut to switch to and from the wireless CarPlay to the original system. That being said, This is a very practical device. It's compatible with a wide range of car models. On the AutoABC website, you will find modules for Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, and other car manufacturers. And if you want to order this device, be sure to use the link in the video description, because the discount code you are seeing on the screen is available only for that link. If you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.